Okay, welcome back. Good to see you again. Okay, so we're back into the learning the web development environment. So we are up to, let's open up page. Everything's going on there, my other screen for some reason. So this is what we've done so far, which is awesome. Now let's open it up in Atom. So in this video we're going to start working with CSS, or getting CSS ready with Bootstrap and all the fun stuff, and start styling the web page. So we've basically got the HTML doc set up. We've got that result, which is pretty plain. So now we want to introduce CSS. So what we'll do is we'll create a new folder. We'll call it My CSS Original. And in that folder we'll have a new file, and we'll call that style.css. Keeping it real original. Alright. So now we have nothing in the file, but we've got it here in our folder. The Learning Web Development folder. We've got our HTML file and we have our CSS file. Now we want to link them up. So we do in our head tag, we create a link with the magic of Atom, link. I've called it My CSS, that's the folder, and we've called it style.css. Style.css. Now we control save this. So now if we head over to this file, which is here, we can test it out. Alright, let's do a H1 test. Choose the color, and we'll give it a red. We can stand out now. Remember, control save, otherwise nothing will show up. Come over to our refresh, and voila, it's done it. It's turned our H1 into red, which is what we wanted. So that's talking to each other. Second of all, we want to add Bootstrap. Well, first of all, what's CSS? People don't know. It stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS describes how the HTML elements are displayed on your screen. Alright, so it's the language that describes the style of the HTML document. Slow down. Okay. So now we want to add Bootstrap. I mean, you can just style this in CSS, but it's 2017. You know, we're going with the times. Stay updated. Bootstrap's still leading the way, I think. Pretty sure. Well, if there's something else, let me know, but Bootstrap's pretty cool. And what we want to do is go over to Bootstrap, which I have here. So, home of Bootstrap. So just get bootstrap.com. We head over to downloads, because we want to download Bootstrap. But we're going to download the CD. Well, we're going to copy and paste the CDN. I don't know what CDN is. It's the Content Delivery Network. So all the content that Bootstrap has, we can access it from these codes. Okay. So we'll link these codes in our files. So if we go boom there, what else did we want? We take the other one as well, I think. We should be compiling JavaScript, because we're going to want to do that. We're going to want to put in some jQuery and all the fun stuff. And you need to do this for Bootstrap anyway, so they're the two you want. Cool bananas. So we've got a link. Just break this up a little bit so we know what's happening. Okay, so let's just document this so we know what we're doing. Adding our style sheet, style CSS. That'll do. That's that folder. In this one we are adding CDN and Bootstrap. And this one we are adding the scripts of the jQuery, JavaScript and jQuery. So all of it, let's just double check that. Yeah. 2 script files, 2 script tags, and a link and a script. Yeah, that's it. Link and a script and 2 script tags. So here we've got adding. What are we adding? Adding jQuery. Trust me, you're going to want to add these. So just add them. And okay, so we've added our style sheet, we've added our Bootstrap, and we've added our jQuery JavaScript libraries. Perfecto mundo. Now we've got to save it, make sure, and we want to probably test it out, see if Bootstrap's going to actually work. So what we want to do is go back to Bootstrap, go to documentation. So here we go to documentation in Bootstrap to get whatever documents we want. So we'll have a squiz at some layouts. Yeah. How about some content? And then we want some... what do we want? Let's search some nav bars for a start. Let's go nav bar. Search some nav bars. Here we go. Now we're in the nav bar section. See, this is all the code for this nav bar. Okay. Can't really see that. Let's pick a nice nav bar. Looks a bit funky dunky. This one here. Okay, nav bar. It's got a drop down menu. That looks cool. We'll add that. So what we do, copy and paste this. Over to Adam. In our body tag. We're just going to drop it in there. Awesome. And here we're just going to write nav bar. And just copy that. Get it down here. Paste nav bar. End. Alright, we'll copy and save that. Control save. That looks good. navbar. Now we'll call this web dev. Yeah, something like that. That'll do. Control S for save. Let's see if anything is working. Okay, we need to refresh the browser, and voila, we have our navbar up here. Yeah. We don't have a drop. We just want a drop-down link. What happened to the drop-down link? I'll check that in a minute in the code. So we've got our navbar. We've got our welcome to web development with our modules. And notice that the fonts have changed a little. Cool. All right. So it's working. That's the main thing. That's all we wanted to check. All right. So basically, that's the end of this one. So we've added our style sheet, we've added Bootstrap, we've added jQuery. Now we're just going to play around with some styling and make it look like a really cool website. Alright, see you in the next one. Thanks.